Includes 1 starter clutch, 1-way bearing and gear kit, 1 starter clutch flywheel puller tool, 1 gasket. Specifications. High-quality replacement kit, set for Yamaha Raptor 660. Perfect fit. Please reference our compatibility list below to ensure our parts are compatible with your components. Please contact us if you have any compatibility questions. Warranty care. Reliable customer service is our #1 priority. Here at Octopus, we readily offer a 30-day money-back guaranteed and 90-day limited manufacturer's warranty, which covers manufacturing defects. For maximum usage, we suggest avoiding canned lubricant and using grease or oil. Top reviews from the United States. It works, description correct. Description is spot on, still works after a 4-day weekend of constant starts. Easy to install, sadly wish it didn't have a paper gasket, but that's what Yamaha did, so it is what it is.